Get to the thing. What is it? I can't talk. I need some coffee first. Thank you. Wow, that's pretty good.
That's good. Sweet. That's good.
Today's our adventure day, so we're going on a hike now. And then afterwards, hopefully the weather keeps and we can go to the beach. Inspired by what? Oh, it's called inspiration. It's called Inspiration Point. The conversation we overhear is just so weird.
They're looking at all these building,
big properties
jobs
to buy,
stuff,
yeah.
They're talking like, oh, that guy built those 3 houses there.
Yeah.
Like, that White House.
Yeah.
It's like, there's our house.
Oh, you can see our house.
Yeah.
Me.
Shit talk, that's probably unnecessary. But it's because, like, it's like, you come up to a nice mountain nature area. Oh, all I care about is the properties that people are developing.
Yeah.
No appreciation for the nice mountain behind you. Random shit talking for no reason.
Rant.
Yeah. They had a cool dog. big boy.
Saturday morning, jumped out of bed. I put on my best shoe, got in my car, and raced like a jet. All the way to you, knocked on your door.
The sun has peeked out a little bit. It looks like the perfect weather for a wedding. And we ordered our Uber and it should be here any minute. Oh, and this is my outfit. It's a white dress. We're told to wear white or black and I went with white. Yeah, Justin has a new suit, which is very exciting. You look like a bride and groom.
Oh yeah, I guess so.
We're just guests. I'm bringing my GoPro, so hopefully I can get some secret footage that way, but otherwise I'm just gonna go enjoy my night. Yeah.
Add that onto my list.
What?
That's supposed to be a cat. It's in there. Look, can you see it?
Yes, it's a huge cat.
It's supposed to be a cat. It's disrupting the environment.
Dude, you're disrupting the nature
That's why
reserve.
the bird flew away. You could have killed an endangered bird.
Oh my
Yeah,
god.
this is why the species are endangered.
The species are endangered because of you, cat.
Well, it's not his fault. It's the owner's fault. Cat's gonna be a cat.
The cat's parents' fault?
Yeah, the owners. You know, maybe living by a nature reserve, they shouldn't let their cat out.
Yeah.
Rand. That's pretty funny though. I was like, oh, there's something in the bushes. Like, must be some wildlife. It's a cat. He probably comes here all the time.
honestly like so hot, but I won't complain about that. It is our last day and I'm just enjoying some time by the pool. I'm currently reading In Praise of Idleness by Bertrand Russell, and it talks about the importance of a balanced life, but written in the 1930s. So what I find fascinating is the notion of not enough time, and overworking was a thing back then, before things like social media addiction and having so much of our hours spent on our phones, amongst other things, I suppose. But yeah, this is a great vacation read. That's what I'll be doing for the next hour or so, however long the sun will last / I will last. I have a can of La Croix, so I'll stay hydrated. It's good times.
Guys going in the water.
I know.
Getting some good footage.
Dude, you keep asking that, but like I can't put all these footage in where you say, "Are you getting good footage?"
Should do a super clip of every time I say it.
Hi.
Get some footage.
Yeah.
You think that guy does that in the water every day? Goes into the water at 7 in the morning?
Probably.
Yeah. There's a character called Ace Ventura. He must be from here or something.
Oh my god. Who is this character? Is it like, what is
He's
it
a
from?
comedic character. He's like it's like 90s movie with Jim Carrey.
Okay.
He's like a vet, but he's like pet detective. That's what he's called.
A pet detective?
Yeah, it's an absurd movie, but it's good. Gotta get off all that sand.
Oh my god.
It's going in my bag.
Dude, you didn't take any of the sand off.
I did. I hit them so much.
There's so much sand in here.
Okay, I'll fix it.
No, you won't. Just saying that for the camera, and then you're just gonna put the shoes back in.
Don't tell me that you need some. Don't tell me that you need that new someone.
I was complaining to Justin that the car smells really bad, but I stopped pointing it out every time I got into the car on like day 2. I just want to say one last time that it smells like tobacco, and we learned our lesson not to rent like the cheapest car possible at like a non-big brand car rental.